This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together.
Quick, Tim!
Just like you, you're just
Topsy,
like us,
run!
and we'll be friends forever.
Go, Tim!
We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together. Be best friends forever.
Hello! It's us! Topsy! And Tim! Mummy's gone for a run, so Grandma is looking after us. Sawpaw. Ta-da!
Oh, brilliant. Let's see. Oh, that's lovely. They're beautiful. Now what?
Please maybe go and play in the garden now, Grandma.
Of course.
With Mossy.
Good
Oh,
idea.
let's play fetch. I'll get Mossy's ball quick.
Just tell me first, Topsy, can we just put these in the dishwasher, please? There, good girl. Lovely.
We love playing with Mossy in our garden. Mossy!
I'll do the rest.
Mossy? Mossy? Wait, where is Mossy? Mossy!
Do you know she was a bit quiet on the walk to your house?
Oh, Mossy, there you are! What's wrong, Doggy? Aren't you feeling very well, Mossy?
Oh, come on, Mossy. Come and have a drink of water.
Grandma, Mossy keeps licking her paw.
Oh, does she? Well, maybe her paw is sore. Let's have a look. Oh, there's a good girl. There. Oh, it feels fine. But I'll call the vet and book an appointment for her just to be on the safe side.
Poor Mossy. I've got your I know. I'll look after you until your appointment at the vet. I'll go and get my vet set.
Oh, just remember, Mossy isn't well, Topsy. So don't expect to play and hug with her in the usual way today.
Okay. I know, Mossy. I'll fill up your water bowl and I'll ask Grandma if we can give you a treat from us to cheer you up. I love you.
All sorted. I've made Mossy an appointment at the vet's for later today.
There. Mossy, there's fresh water in your bowl.
Oh. Well done.
Can we give Mossy a treat, please, Grandma?
That's a good idea, Tim. Can you fetch her treat tub for me?
Oh, yes. Oh, no. There aren't any more doggy biscuits left in Mossy's tub.
Oh, poor Mossy.
I know. We can make some more doggy biscuits. Get Will's spoon doggy biscuit.
Yes, that is a very kind thought, Tim. But we don't have a dog biscuit recipe.
Oh. We could find a dog recipe on the internet, Grandma.
That's a very good idea. Could you fetch me my tablet, please, Tim? It's on the hall table in my bag.
Okay. Oh, do you want to help us make doggy biscuits for Mossy? Oh, no thanks. I'm going to look after Mossy like a proper vet. Okay. Grandma and I look up dog biscuit recipes on the internet. While I look after Mossy. Now I'm going to bandage your paw, Mossy. I'll show you. I'm going to put a bandage on Dr. Sausage Dog's sore paw. Look. There you go, Dr. Sausage Dog. You're better now. See, Mossy? It doesn't hurt to have your paw bandaged. Oh, Mossy, are you going to sleep? Grandma, I was going to bandage Mossy's paw, but she's fallen asleep.
Oh, the sleep will do her good.
Oh, can I help? Yeah.
Wash your hands first, please, Topsy.
Okay.
Now, add half a teaspoon of salt to the flour in the bowl. Now comes the fun bit.
Look, Topsy, I'm a snowman. Me too. What's next, Grandma?
Add the egg to the flour and the salt and mix that in.
When the mixture is ready, we make bone-shaped biscuits. Look at mine, Tim. Oh, that's brilliant, Topsy. Well done.
They're looking really good, Topsy and Tim.
I'm making another bone shape. So am I.
Nearly done, Tim? Well done, Topsy and Tim. Now, come on, let's put the first tray in the oven.
Yay! Grandma puts the biscuits into the oven to bake. When they're cooked, we have to wait ages until the biscuits are cold enough for Mossy to eat them. These look really yummy, Grandma.
They won't taste very nice to us, Tim, because they're doggy biscuits. Now, just take one each to give to Mossy.
Mossy? Got some biscuits. Hang on, Mossy. Come on, Mossy. She's still licking her paw, Grandma. She's still licking her paw. Careful, Mossy, careful. Grandma, Mossy doesn't want her biscuits.
Oh, dear. Let's see.
There's something in her paw, Grandma.
Is there? Lie flat, Let's see, let's have a look. Oh, I think it's a stone. Just here in her paw.
Oh, yes, that's why she's been licking her paw. Need to get it out.
Well, what a good thing Vet Topsy was looking after you, Mossy. Now, let me see if I can get it out. I've got it out. Look, it is a stone.
Oh, yes. That's why Mossy was licking her paw.
That's right. She's all right now.
Good girl. Mummy's back. Look, Mossy, Mummy's back. Look what was in Mossy's paw, Mummy.
What is it?
So, Mossy kept on licking her paw. And that's what we tell Mummy all about Mossy's sore paw. And I found a stone in her paw. So, Grandma, does Mossy still need to go to the vet?
No, I've cancelled her appointment, and I expect she's feeling a bit hungry.
Look, Mossy, I've made you some doggy biscuits. And it's time for you to have one. They're very special. Yes. Here, Mossy. Now sit first. Sit. Good. Now take. Good girl, Mossy. Good girl. And there's another one here for you.
Well done, Topsy and Tim. How clever you are to make get-well dog biscuits for Mossy.
And that's when Mummy said, we've got some more baking to do before tomorrow.
We've got some more baking to do before tomorrow, Topsy and Tim. We're making biscuits for your nursery school friends, do you remember?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. It's our last day at nursery school tomorrow. And we're making biscuits for everyone.
Great. Let's find another yummy biscuit recipe right now.
Wash hands before you cook.
And that, said Mummy, was that. Hello. Are you good at remembering? Can you remember what happened to us today? This is our Topsy and Tim memory game. Let's play. Today, Mossy had a sore paw. Can you remember what we found in Mossy's paw? Was it a stone? Or was it a thorn? The answer is behind Wiggles the rabbit. Look, the answer is a stone. Watch this.
Lie flat, Mossy. Let's have a look. Oh, I think it's a stone. Just here in her paw.
Oh, yes, that's why she's been licking her paw. Need to get it out.
Well, what a good thing Vet Topsy was looking after you, Mossy. Now, let me see if I can get it out. I've got it out. Look, it is a stone.
Oh, yes. That's why Mossy was licking her paw.
That's right. She's all right now.
Good girl. Great game. That was good fun. See you soon.